worked in social work for 30 years, working with adults with learning disabilities, people with long-term mental health issues, young people at risk. And while that is still the focus of my work in life, I also happen to run a landscape construction company, a furniture making business, a soap making business, and a food processing business. And the question you'll be asking is the same one that I do. Why would a social worker want to run those businesses? Is that we try to focus on people's strengths and people's abilities and what they're good at and what they're interested in, rather than focusing on their deficits, rather than defining them on the basis of their illness or their disability or their disadvantages. People take more responsibility for their health, people take more responsibility for their skills, people take more responsibility for being more actively involved in their community, people take more responsibility for going out and getting a job if that's what they want to do and if that's what their interests and abilities allow them. One of the challenges that we face, and possibly the biggest challenge that we face, is that in developing the capacity to run a proper business, obviously we need to go through the startup phases and then we need to go through the growth phases, same as any business. And that can be particularly challenging, as everybody that's ever run a business will tell you, if you're not 100% focused on accessing the markets and delivering quality and value. So it's absolutely critical for us that we find some way of accessing markets where people value the social inclusion outcomes that we are trying to deliver, that people understand and recognize the benefits that social enterprise can offer. So one of the primary concerns that I have about social enterprise and about social enterprise growing to achieve its genuine potential is that at the minute, too often it depends on exceptional individuals. So basically you're asking for people to essentially be exceptionally committed to the social outcome that they're trying to achieve. So while we're looking for exceptional social entrepreneurs, in order to access public sector markets, we have found in our experience that we're actually looking for exceptional commissioners and exceptional procurement officers. People who genuinely understand and appreciate and value the impact that a social enterprise can offer both individuals and the community that the public services are there to serve. So what we're trying to look at today in the work stream that I'll be leading is, first of all, do public sector commissioners genuinely understand the value that social enterprise can offer to their public sector partners, and also exploring what are the barriers. If the answer to that question is yes, that they do value what social enterprise can deliver, then what are the barriers to engaging with social enterprises, and is there any routes where we can make it so that we're not so dependent on exceptional individuals and exceptional departments in order to be able to help social enterprise to grow so that it can become a genuinely significant impact on some of the major social issues that affect our communities.